Hi, today's video is about the view components in AppGyver. These are the building blocks from which the user interface can be assembled. We find them in AppGyver by default in the left sidebar. The panel is divided into 3 individual tabs. Under Core, there are the usual components that are commonly used in many apps. Under the tab By Me, you can find custom components. How you can create or edit your own view components you will see in the upcoming video. The third tab, Installed, contains the components that have been selected and installed by the marketplace for the respective app. We can now bring these components into our canvas in 2 different ways. One is by drag and drop directly into the canvas, as we can see here. On the other hand, by drag and drop them into the layout tree in the lower right corner. Now, let's get back to our own view components in the By Me tab. To do this, we take a container view component from the left sidebar and insert it into our page. In this example, we simply add a spinner to it in order to get a better overview of the changes. In the Properties panel, if we scroll down, we can find the button Convert to New Component. Clicking this will create a new view component and we can access the component template editor. This isolates the component area from the rest of the page so that we can work within it. Now let's change the padding of the spinner to the left to 180px. Normally we try to avoid pixel specifications here, but for the illustration this fits. If we save the view component now, we will find it under By Me and can reuse it as many times as we like. From here, we can also make the component available to other developers in the marketplace. However, there are 4 things to keep in mind with the composite component. First is structure. How the subordinate components are arranged in the composite component, in our case, the spinner inside the container. Second is properties. More precisely, what properties can a user configure after the component is dragged into the canvas. Third is internal logic. In other terms, what logic does the container have and how is it executed? Fourth is events. So which events can be triggered inside the component or via the logic inside it. I hope I could bring you closer to the topic view components in AppGyver today. If you liked the video, please leave a like and hit the subscribe button to our channel to stay up to date. Thanks for watching and see you next time.